Today is the ginger stir fry with pork. Mushroom. Put mushroom in. Stir for 40 minutes. Put the garlic in.
Bit of garlic, bing bing.
Yeah. Until garlic turn the color. A little bit of salt in. Oyster sauce. Sugar.
What was the second one? Salt.
Sugar.
Alright.
Seasoning sauce, thin soy sauce. Yeah.
Seasoning and thin soy, yeah.
Yep. A little bit carrot. Onion. Broccoli. Pepper. And then ginger. Nice color. Dark soy sauce. See? For 1 or 2 minutes, make sure is ginger is soft, yeah. And then I want to try.
Sack the juggler.
A little bit seasoning sauce, yeah. And last one. All done.
And then some rice. Have we got to make some rice?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that. Ooh, there you go.
Okay, so with the jasmine rice, yeah. Ginger stir fry with pork.
Wow, that smells fantastic.
It's nice. Yep. With pepper.
Lovely.
Done.